Hello YouTube. Just wanted to make this video for everybody out there with 2011 through I think 2021, but definitely 2011 through 2013 older body style pre-facelift Grand Cherokee. This is my 2011 Grand Cherokee Limited 4x4 with the 5.7 Hemi. There's been quite a bit done to it. The only thing that I really am waiting on right now is my exhaust. I have an Old Man Emu 2.5 inch full lift kit, both front and rear. I have Milestar Patagonia 275 70/17 tires. They are all-terrain. It's an ATR, so I think it's like a hybrid between all-terrain tire and a road tire. There's been absolutely zero issues in the 500-mile shakedown since everything's been installed. These tires are absolutely fantastic. I waited until Memorial Day, bought them off simpletire.com. They had great reviews. Overall, the handling is awesome. Tracks well on the freeway. I drive this to and from work. Next is these classic wheels. I've had these on almost every single off-road vehicle I've had. They are American Racing Outlaw 2s. They're 17x8 with a 0 offset. If you notice, it sticks out with really the perfect amount of stance, I believe. I believe Custom Offsets has a few videos showing the 285, 65, 17s that you can run on these, or 18s even. And I believe that those are just too big for the platform. These come in, I think, right at 32 or just under 32 inches. Again, overall, great tire. This thing has a really mean look. Apologize for the wind here. But I also have, I think, Rocky Ridge Outfitters. The trim packers that go up front here provide an absolute perfect level. There's zero issues with this. This is rock solid. I have the medium duty springs in here. I do tow, but not a lot. I don't need to justify buying the heavy duty spring package. I have MHF black and chrome tail lights, full LED. I had cut the rear resonators off prior to the exhaust shop visit here. It saves about an hour or so labor pulling those out. All the way around then, well, especially up front here, I have 15% tint to match the rear privacy glass, and then a 15% brow up front here. Turns out really nicely. At all angles, it really is truly matching in the front and rear for the glass, and I really like that. So I do have full LED lights and the factory HID package. I think they're D1S bulbs. So yeah, pretty nice. Interior's in great shape. Full leather. Privacy roof. Moon roof, sunroof, whatever you call it. It's great on a summer day. It's really nice. I do have it fully detailed. I'll have it ceramic coated again here just prior to fall. It's about late June right now, just about to be July. So I can actually start it up here too. So this is just with the rear resonators cut off. I have an H pipe coming. 2 vibrant bottle resonators will go just past the cats to an H pipe to some rear MagnaFlow mufflers. Should sound pretty awesome. That'll come here in the next video. LED lights everywhere on the vehicle. Have LED lights up here in the rear cargo area. In the back, in the map light. I am looking for a radio upgrade. I do have the factory navigation head unit with Sirius XM, so that'll be also coming here in the future. So overall, great looking ride. Really do love it. V8 has plenty of power. Sounds great. I am parked on a hill, so it does look like I still have some factory rake, but the rake in this thing is completely dead level. I would highly recommend anybody getting the Old Man EMU system to get the Rocky Ridge Outfitters or Rocky Road Outfitters. It's called like the Trim Packer Kit. It takes out all of the rake, just a simple plate that goes right above the shock tower. Other than that, tune into the next video. Thanks, guys.